So Yeslak just sent me their new smart RGB lights that reacts to what the car sees. It has a lot of customizable settings, including color choice and modes. But first, Yeslak is a company that specializes in premium Tesla accessories. If you want to check them out and like any of their products or the product featured today, click my link in the description and use code ALEC for 26% off with a minimum purchase of $150 or code ALEC20 for 20% off with no minimum purchase. Now let's get into the installation. The first step that I would do is to get the lights tucked into the air vent area. This might require either 2 people or the pry tool to get the lights tucked in, but once you get it in there, it's very easy to get the rest in. Next, you'll want to take apart the passenger side panels of the car. So you'll want to take off this piece, and then take off this piece with a pry tool also. And then you'll want to take off all the weather stripping and this bottom panel of the car to get to the electronics inside. Next, you'll want to plug the USB-C into the connector to connect the 2 pieces together. Then you will want to connect the 2 connectors into their respective areas. The OBD port should be open, but the smaller connector you will need to unplug something in order to connect Yeslak's connector to it. And then connect the 2 small sides together and the light should turn on. All you have to do now is just tuck everything in and hide the wiring. These lights are very nice for nighttime driving because they look amazing and are very helpful because of everything that it can do. It gives an indication when there are doors open and on which side they're open on. If you put your turn signals on, it'll flash green on the side if it is clear to go and red if it is not. And it will turn orange if there are cars next to you, like a blind spot warning if you don't have your turn signals on. It even has a speed limit warning, so if you start going 20% over the speed limit, it'll start flashing red at you. It has a wide range of colors, but it also has a kickdown mode, which depending on how much you press the accelerator, the light will get bigger or smaller. You can control the color by using the scroll wheel on older models or by using the touchscreen if you have a newer Model 3 or Y. It also has a nice entry animation for you when you get in your car. So again, if you like this product or any product on the Yeslak store, click the link in the description and use my discount code ALEC or ALEC20 at checkout to save yourself some money. Thank you for watching. Remember to like and subscribe, and I'll catch you all next time.